Hello students, this is Supriya Mogle, Assistant Professor at Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I am here to discuss about successful entrepreneurs. In this video, we are going to study one story of successful entrepreneur. So first we'll see the qualities of successful entrepreneurs. So every successful entrepreneur invests his income in his enterprises. He makes every possible efforts to take advantage from any opportunity. Means he first find out the available opportunity and makes every possible effort to take advantage from that opportunity. He is enough risk bearer. He is ready to adapt the change, good organizer as well as good manager, creative thinker, ambitious, hard worker, good and prompt decision maker, and strong commitment and firm determination. So these are the qualities are present in the successful entrepreneur. So here we are going to study story of one successful entrepreneur, that is Dhirubhai Ambani. So first we'll see the background. Dhirubhai Ambani was born on 28th December 1932 at Kukaswada near Chorwad, Gujarat. He was the second son of Hirachand Gordhanbhai Ambani, who was a school teacher, and his mother Jamna Ben. So next point is, first he worked at Aden as a petrol pump attendant for Shell for 8 years. Now Aden is a port city and the temporary capital of Yemen, located by the eastern approach in the Red Sea. Okay, so at the age of 17, he had gone to Aden, now a part of Yemen, and worked for Basic and Company Limited, the sole selling distributor of Shell products. Okay, in the year 1958, he returned to Mumbai. So the beginning. After coming back to India, Dhirubhai started his business in 1958 as a trader in nylon, rayon and spices with care of telephone. So first he was working as a trader. Then at that time he started his first company, that is Reliance Commercial Corporation, a community trading export house. Then in the 1966, as a first step in Reliance highly successful strategy of backward integration, he started the textile mill in Naroda, Ahmedabad. Then the growth. Reliance Group is credited with number of financial innovations in the Indian capital market, and today the Reliance Group has one of the largest family of shareholders in the world, with the investment of over rupees 36 crore in petroleum refining, petrochemicals, power generations, telecommunication services and port terminal in 3-year time frame, has steered the Reliance Group to its current status as India's leading textile, petroleum, petrochemical, power and telecom player. So over the time, Dhirubhai diversified his business with the core specialization being the petrochemical and additional interests in telecommunication, information technology, energy, power, retailing, textile, infrastructure, services, capital markets and logistics. So he was probably the first Indian businessman to recognize the strategic significance of investors and discover the vast untapped potential of the capital markets and channelize it for the growth of development of the industry. Then Dhirubhai always considered global size of projects, state of technologies and quality, global competition, and the interests of the stakeholders in the company he founded. He had an eye of details, hence all the large projects of global size were built with utmost economy and in time. Then Dhirubhai Ambani had suffered from second major stroke after a state of coma for more than a week. He died on 6 July 2002. At that time, Dhirubhai's death, Reliance Group had a gross turnover of rupees 75,000 crore, and in 1976 to 77 the Reliance Group had an annual turnover of rupees 70 crore, and it is to be remembered that Dhirubhai had started a business with just rupees 15,000. Then his life and achievement proves that if you have confidence, if you have courage and conviction, then you can achieve the impossible. His sterling leadership qualities, remarkable foresight, uncompr- uh, uncompromising pursuit of excellence, humility, prodigious capacity to motivate and trust people will continue to guide and inspire future generation at Reliance. So recently, in January 2016, Dhirubhai Ambani was awarded the Padma Vibhushan. Okay, it is the country's second highest civilian award. Now, the last part we are going to finish here by having this quote quoted by Dhirubhai Ambani himself. He says, "If you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help them to build theirs." So here I complete my video. I hope you understood the story of Dhirubhai Ambani. You will definitely get one question on this topic. So thank you.